9 a.m. It just clicked up from 33 to 34. It's pretty much freezing out there, T-Rex. But it's still late March sunshine, so you can still get a suntan or burn in the seats at Fenway Park. What a day for baseball. Let's make a run for it. Get out of the wind, into the sun. Oh yeah, feels good. Birds are out there playing. Whitecaps and instability cumulus. We did not have these yesterday. The front came through this morning in Boston around 5 o'clock, dry. No snow showers here, but
fresh snow up here.
Rachel and Alexandra on Mount Mansfield, beautiful. They say it doesn't even look like it snowed up top because it all blew away. I'm sure it's really fast skiing, but down low where the snow accumulated, another nice morning for skiing. And it's certainly not springtime. Mount Washington, as of 8:30, was 6 below zero with a wind gusting to 108. That's a new record low for March 30. The old record was 5 below in 1965. Cold air advection. Wind is air moving from high to low pressure. The high pressure system coming through the Midwest this morning. Record low temperatures. Hibbing, Minnesota, about 8 or 9 below zero. It's not often you see the record low temperatures distributed on the West Coast and the Midwest and in the East. Not so much in the East because the sun's been up for a couple of hours. Tomorrow morning, probably a bunch of record low temperatures in the mid-Atlantic states. But with these high pressure systems coming in and going to our south, the cold comes and goes very quickly. Remember that little Arctic blast we had on February 3 and 4? The next day, it was about, on the 5th, it was about 45 or 50 degrees warmer. And that's pretty close to what's happening with this one. Fenway Park today, probably about 40 degrees, one of the coldest March 30th you get. And then a warm front comes in tomorrow. There'll be mixed showers, elevation snow, lower elevation showers. Temperature gets back into the 40s, 30s north. Saturday, low pressure to our north, Bermuda high pressure, wind from the southwest, not a washout. I've been seeing some headlines, washout on Saturday. No. Wet start, shower in the afternoon, maybe a thunderstorm, maybe some sunny breaks, 60 south. And if you're going skiing, I think we do have a few hours where it's dry. Sugar slalom at Stowe, not pouring. Not sure if the fog and drizzle can lift, though. Temperature even near 50 in northern New England. Cold front Saturday night. Rain showers change back to snow showers in the mountains. Windy and fast in the mountains on Sunday. The Red Sox still hosting the Orioles on Sunday at Fenway Park. It'll be breezy, not bad, nowhere near as cold as today. Monday, warm front. Waves of energy coming from west to east next week. More snow accumulating in the mountains west. Warm up in the east. Still wall-to-wall cold in Canada. I'm not going to say winter's going to come back the middle of April, but it looks like the ridge could form in the west for the middle of April or Midwest. But there's still some troughiness in the southwest, and there's still a bunch of cold in Canada. So it may stay pretty interesting here. Here's the 14-day for Boston. See a big spike up again next. Well, first of all, look at that, 29 on Monday. Are we going to have more record cold coming in early next week? Possibly. April 3rd. And then that spike up again next Thursday, Friday. We know the rule. Thursday and Friday is usually warm up, although today is Thursday, Tim, you know. Tomorrow's going to warm up. And then it cools off again there as we get into the second week of April. So looks pretty darn interesting. Remember, the water temperature is only about 40 degrees. Great day yesterday, long day traveling, but then getting to meet so many people. Good to see Barbara and Jim Morrissey again. Bubba Jim saying hello. Says he misses me on TV because I used to be kind of chill, just informative, not alarmist. And I got a couple more subscribers here on YouTube. Within about 8 or 9 of being a YouTube partner. And then I think I might be able to make 10 cents a week doing these videos, which are certainly long form, but I hope you get a kick out of them. Always outdoors, always watching the weather. You got birds within 2 feet of me. Speaking of birds, there was a cardinal talking to me in the tree yesterday, and I stopped in Cohasset to get some images of daffodils. That's today's and more. Not sure what door we're going out tomorrow, but it's always fun, informative, and interesting. Talk to you later. Questions? Questions? Please ask me a question.
Are we going to have a hot summer?
Yes, we are.
Okay.
The ridging, it's going to be hot and humid because of the ridging over the southeastern United States and this standing wave. However, there's an El Nino forming, so we should expect differences in the weather over the next couple of years. So we're due a snowy winter, and that could be next winter. But another hot summer is probably going to happen. Or your money back. It's called Wilcutt. Wilcutt. That's where I did the speaking. And Tim will cut flowers for the Morrisseys. Because I love giving away pussy willows and forsythia.
That's fantastic.
Barbara?
That makes me so excited.
Jim?
Really can't tell you.
Thanks for having me. That was so fun.
I've got another date for you.
All right.
Hingham Bunch for October.
Got it.
Got it?
The answer is yes.
Okay, great. I'll tell her that.
Anybody that wants me to come and speak to their group, it's so fun and so flattering, and you are all so nice.
It is fun.
Kind of chilly, but the flora and fauna knows what time it is. Springtime. Beautiful Cohasset daffodils. Some kind of rhododendron, azalea, something like that. And then the ones that are in the shade, it looks like a different variety. They'll come out next week. You get your spare parts in there too. It's the waxing pink moon. Pink flowers are not that far behind.